Okay guys, I just got my zipper tote in Signature Jacquard from Coach, and I'm getting ready to do an unboxing. Here goes. Okay, so I just ripped all the stuff off so that I could open it. Get my seat and everything out. Oh look! This is so cute. It's packaged like, it's like wrapped up like a little present. How cute is that? Huh? Move this box out of the way. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Let's see here. It's like, happy birthday, Merry Christmas to you. Look at that beauty. Oh, I just love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's nice. I love it. Look at that, guys. Oh, I just love it. It's the white things on the bottom. There's the back. The handle is tucked down inside. Oh, this is great. This is perfect. It's fabric. It is fabric. Just a little thing here. Inside, we've got, move this tissue. Right there. Okay, so it stops sliding. So inside, let's see. So inside we have, looks like one big pocket here. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Lots of room in there. It's actually, it's actually a, I don't know, a little tiny bit smaller than I thought. But I love it. It's perfect. I don't need a whole lot of room. I have my on the town tote, which is way bigger than I expected. There's a pocket there. I can fit like about 4 fingers in there, spread apart. So sorry about my ashy hands, you guys. I need lotion. So I can fit about 4 fingers in this pocket, spread apart a little bit, and then in this pocket here, same size. So yeah, like, it's roomy. I don't know how well you can see that. It's pretty roomy. I just love it. Yay, I'm so excited. It's so cute. So the size is nice. So, like, here's my hand. If you can see the size of it. It's a good size. I'm happy. So, tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you like it. Like it a lot. It has like, I don't know. I want to say, I actually thought that it had like gold trim. It looked like it in the picture, but it's not. It's just like the same color, but a little bit darker around the trim of the C. So cute. Anyways. Okay, let me know if you guys like it. Let me know what you think I could use to dress it up or make it look cute or fancy. Accessories with it. Like and subscribe. I actually have more unboxings of a lot of stuff here in the future. I'm just been going nuts over getting new stuff. So you guys have a great day. Stay blessed, and I love you.